A spouse that cheats is not as important as it was some years ago, now that we have no-fault divorce in New York. It's never a good thing. However, if it is legally relevant or not depends on many factors. Generally speaking, the court doesn't want to hear about that anymore unless for some reason it has something to do with the children. In other words, the person that your spouse was cheating with is a person who might have a criminal record or some other kind of maybe a substance abuse problem, and that person is now involved with the children's life. But other than that, as far as grounds for divorce are concerned, although New York used to have adultery as a ground that was used commonly, it's very rare that adultery would be pleaded today in a divorce because we do have irretrievable breakdown, which is our no-fault ground. So all the dirty laundry that used to be paraded before the court is something that really doesn't happen today as much. But to say that cheating does or doesn't have any effect on a divorce, it's not something that you could say specifically yes or no. You'd have to see whether or not the impact of that cheating has relevance to the children, maybe financially, maybe the spouse was spending a lot of money on that person. So it may come back in different ways, but not necessarily as a ground for divorce.